Explore the Coaching Events tab. The Events tab shows all driving events that may require coaching, whether or not a coaching action has been created. Start by clicking Group by Driver. Organize events by driver or by alert. Use filters to narrow events by coaching status, alert type, date range, driver, vehicle, location, or tags. Focus on events with coaching, without coaching, or both to prioritize follow-up. Limit events to a specific time window for focused analysis with the date range filter. Toggle to display only events that include video footage. With the event list, you can see each event grouped under its driver with key details at a glance. Use this view to spot events that may need coaching before they escalate. Click here to reformat the page to show videos of coaching events. Click here to go back to the original events page. You have now explored the Coaching Events page. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.